lady. She making a roti. So after I eat this, I will go to try the roti. Let's see how it tastes like. This is one of the famous. I don't know how you have experience with India. So it's a different like a roti, but this roti is so much different. What is different and what is twist? I will show you in the video.
You put it also in the for like this.
Okay, so order roti. Let's see how she make because it look like so fancy roti today. We had egg one, banana one, banana plus egg. 40 baht. Okay. So she making so quickly.
Okay.
This is also roti.
Roti, no banana, no egg.
Oh, then who eat this? Like an Indian roti. Okay, so she making very quickly, no banana. Look at that. What time you show up open? What time you open?
What time of it?
What?
Open,
3 p.m.
3 p.m. afternoon.
Okay,
Yeah,
afternoon.
afternoon.
Oh, okay. Almost 1 p.m. Look at that crowd. So many people come to her because her roti become famous in Ceylon. So it's so much close to when you enter. When you get down from MRT or Saladin, you can come here. Also, that one pad thai also recommended. So whenever I come here, I used to eat. Oh my god.
วันนี้ค่ะเป็นอะไรแพนเค้ก
Arato di primo. Aspetta,
Look at that. So quickly she doing. It's so fast. Look at that. She have electric spark. So if you want to know the price, she have 3 type of roti: egg roti, banana roti, egg plus banana. Egg roti 25, banana roti 35 and 40. Okay, so my roti almost ready. No need to worry for oil because she using good one oil as well. If you come to Thailand, no need to worry.
Okay, thank you.
So quickly. So how people this one eat it? With something or eat like this? Okay, she's so much busy. Okay, so final result here. She done my roti and boom. Look at her speed. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Satyakra. Thank you. So she don't have any sitting arrangement. So let's try roti. I don't know how it tastes like because I'm going to try first time. It doesn't mean that I don't eat roti before, but it is my first time to try banana roti. Amazing. You can imagine the taste of this roti by my eyes when I take the bite, it looked like a first kiss to me. To eat it. Banana, welcome. One more. It's just amazing. Look at that. It's crazy. Amazing. Okay. So I hope you like my video and like my little bit content. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.